lecture series of theory of computation. Today we are going to learn about the some of the finite automata examples. I am your instructor Poonam Patel. Let's start to understand this concept. So here we are going to draw the FA for the language which accepting the number of zeros and number of ones are even. First of all, we need to think about what is the minimum length of strings this FA will contain. So even numbers means that even number. So as we know, even length start with the 0, 2, 4, 6. So here we have to count number of zeros and also number of ones. That counting should be even. So the even length start with the 0. So for this example, our minimum length string would be null. Now after this null, what is the minimum length should we count? So 0 and 1 both two are in even. So we can write like this: 0 0 1 1, then 1 0 1 0. If you count number of zeros and ones, both are even. Number of ones are 2. Number of 0 are 2. Number of ones are 2. So these are the even lengths. 0 and 1 both are 1 0. So zeros and ones both are even. Same here. So there are 0 1 like this, then 1 1 0 like this. So if you see, after a null string, what next minimum length? 4. So for this example, we have to draw the 4 state. So here there are 4 states. So for this example, we have to draw the 4 state. So you can see over here I have drawn the 4 state. So this state is A. State A, state B, state C, state D. You can also give the name of state is Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 like this. Okay. Now how we can draw this? So if you see, I have included 0 1 0 1 after minimum length 0 strings. So if you so we have considered the strings for this language is like null 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 like this 1 1 double 0 like this. So here I have drawn the FA like this from A 0. So on a state A, from state A on getting 0 we move the B state. On a 1 we move the from a B state. On getting 1 we moved to the state C. State C, this is like 0 1 0 1 like this. From a state A on a getting 0 we move state B. From a state B on a getting 1 we move state C. From a state C on a getting 0 we move state D. From a state D on a getting 1 we moved state A. Same here. From a state A, if we consider the strings like 1 0 1 0, where the number of ones and number of zeros are even. So from a state initial state we have to draw like this 1. So from a state A on a getting 1 move to D state. From a state D on a getting 0 we move state C. From a state C on a getting 1 move the B state, and from a state B on a getting 1 on a getting 0 we move state A. So here we can see this is the DFA for the which accepting the number of zeros and ones. This what is the accepting state for this DFA? So the accepting state for this DFA is our initial state. Why is initial state? So as we know, the minimum length of string, this language will contain length 0, which is the empty string. So whenever the language which containing empty strings, always remember DFA for the language is always initial state is considered as a accepting state. Okay. So here A is our accepting state. So this is the DFA for even number of zeros and ones. Both are, always remember. Now, actually this DFA also represent three possibilities. What are the possibilities? It depends on the counting of number of zeros and number of ones. So what are the other possibilities what are the other possibility may occur for the DFA? So like this. So if we consider number of zeros, here I am representing the counting of number of zeros and number of ones. So this is number of ones. Okay. So first, that I have already considered even possibility. It means that even number of zeros and even number of ones. Now next possibility, odd number of zeros. In the exam any combination will come. Odd even combination, odd number of zeros, odd number of ones even. And number of zeros even and number of ones are odd. Even actually this DFA, except this accepting state, is a DFA for this all four possibilities: even odd even, odd combination. Now only difference in this all possibility in a accepting state. So let me consider, suppose we have to draw this even already we have already discussed. What is the accepting state for this? Even number of zeros and even number of ones are initial state is the accepting state. Now consider the next possibility. So which state is our accepting state? So here they say that number of zeros and ones are odd. So as we know, odd length start with the 1, 3, 5 like this. So here suppose we consider the length, suppose we consider a valid string which containing odd number of ones and zeros. So suppose valid string is 1 0 and 0 1. Okay, both are containing odd number of 0 and 1. Number of zeros is 1, number of ones is 1. So both are odd length. So this string is a valid string for this language. So if you consider, suppose I want to accept this. So always remember, tracing the string, we have to, if it is a valid string, at the end of string we have to reach the final state. So suppose we have considered this 1 0. So a on 0, a on 1, sorry, a on 1, which state we have to move? So a on 1, see the DFA, a on 1, it moves the D state, and D on 0, which state it moves? D on 0, it moves the C state. So if you see, we have reached C state. It means that we have to consider C as our accepting state for the 0 and for the number of zeros and ones are odd whenever. Now let me consider this valid string 0 and 1. Whether this is a valid string, so it must be at the end of string we have to reach at the accepting state. So start from the initial state, always a on 0, which state we have moved? B state. Now B and 1, B from a state B, on getting 1, which state we have moved? C state. Okay, so C is our final state. So this valid string is also accepted, this also accepted. So if you see the number of zeros and ones, so the string which containing number of zeros and ones are odd always reach at the accepting state C. Okay. So now next is, so for this, so for odd we have to make the accepting state C. In case of in exam, suppose they are asking like odd number of zeros and even number of ones. So which state we have to make the accepting state? Now consider this. Now consider this odd number of zeros and even number of ones. So even number of ones means length of one may contain a 0. Suppose even length start with the 0 and odd length start with the 1. So we can consider for this kind of possibilities, like consider a value string single 0. Is it allowed? Yes, because length of 1 may be 0 because it is a even number of ones, and but odd number of 0, at least we can say that odd line start with the 1, we can say that single 0. So this is a valid string, we can say that, which contain odd number of zeros and even number of ones. Okay, so let me see how we can accept this. So from initial state A on a 0, which state we have moved? B. So for this odd and even combination, we have to make the B as a final state. So for this example, B. Let me consider another odd number of 0 and even number of ones. So okay, so let me see. Trace this string. A on 0, which state we have moved? B. B on 1, which state we have moved? C state. Like this. 0, 1, 1. Again I am considering. A on 0, which state it moves? B state. B on 1, which state we have moved? C state. C on 1, which state we moved? B state. So B is our accepting state. So you can see, if the string containing odd number of zeros and even number of ones always reach B, which is our accepting state for these possibilities. Okay, odd and even. Now at the end, now last possibilities, even and odd. Even number of zeros, odd number of ones. So I can simply see even number of zeros and odd number of ones. It means that single one is allowed. This is a valid string because odd length start with a 1 and even length start with a 0. So 1, which is a valid string. So we can make D as a final state for this. A on D, A on 1, it moves the D as a final state. It moves a D state, which is our final state. So for this combination, we have to make a D as a final state. So this DFA actually consists of all four possibilities, but difference in a difference in a accepting state. Okay, so for even, which state we have to make? Even A state. For a odd combination, so here I am writing down which state we have to make the final state if the combination will appear. So like this state we have to make as a final state if the combination is even. So E for even and B for the odd even. So O for the odd, E for the even. So odd even. First representing number of zeros are even, or sorry, number of zeros are odd and number of ones. Okay, so first pair representing the number of zeros and second pair representing the number of ones. So here number of zeros are even, number of ones are here. Okay, so whenever number of ones, so whenever this combination appear, whenever this combination asks, we have to make A as a final state. Whenever this combination asks, we make B as a final state. C. So whenever odd combination. Okay. So number of zeros and number of ones. Odd combination. This O for odd. Okay. Odd combination. We have to make C as a final state. And at the end, when we have to make a D as a final state, so the combination for the D for the for this state, when we so at the end, which combination is remaining? Even odd combination. So first number of zeros is even and number of ones are odd. So for this we have to make the D as a final state. So in this way we can draw the FA for this kind of examples. Okay, now next example number 8. Now example number 8, we have to draw the FA for the language which accepting the strings whose next to last symbol is 0 over the input alphabet sigma equal to 0, 1. So next to last means, it means that second last symbol must be a 0. Okay, so for this we have to write down the regular expression or over here. So here you can see this position is fixed. This position is fixed and this position we have to write a 0 because they said next to last symbol is 0. Okay, so next to last, so this second last position is fixed, which is a 0, and after this only position remaining, either it appears 0 or 1, 0 or 1. So here we have to write down like this, 0 plus 1, and before this any combination may come. There are no restriction for this, so any combination means we have to write down like 0 plus 1 star. So how we can draw the DFA for this kind of example? So as we already discussed, first of all, you have to consider the minimum length, and using the minimum length, we can draw the DFA, basic structure of, we can draw the basic structure of the DFA. So here, what is the minimum length? So star term. So what is the minimum length? So here star term is repeated. Always remember the star term we have to repeat 0 times. 0 times means this is, replace this with null string, null symbol. Now this is compulsory, so always string must contain 0. Second last symbol, this is a 0, and the last position, either you can pick 0, either you can pick, or you can pick 1. So we can consider 0 0, either in place of 0 we can pick the 0 1 1. Okay, we can pick 1, so 0 1. So for this language the minimum length, so for this language minimum length of string is 0 0 and 0 1. Okay, we can say at the end it will be either 0 0 or 0 1, like 0 0, this is a valid, 0 0 triple 0, yes it is valid, like this. So by using this minimum length we can draw the FA. So here, so for this kind of language, we have to draw first. So minimum length is 0 0 or 0 1. We have to accept this both. So in this example we have to make a two state as a accepting state. So here you can see A on 0 we move B, and once we reach B we have two options, either 0 you have to accept or 1 you have to accept. So from a B we have to draw the two accepting state. B on 0 we moved accepting state C. B on 1 we moved, we can see that B on 1 we can move the D state, which is the accepting state. So this is the basic structure for this DFA. Now we have to complete our DFA. So here we can see complete the DFA. So here A on 0 we have mentioned, but A on 1 where it moves. So here you can see before this star is appear, it means that if any number of ones can appear before this, it is valid. So we can put a transition for 1 as a self loop on a state A. So here now we have to from a state B we have to give a two transition already, 0 and 1. So B state are completed because all the input from a B state we have to mention. Now we have to complete state C for the input 0 and 1 transitions, and same we have to complete the D state. Okay, so suppose consider the C. So here we are considering the C for the transition for the input 0. So where we have to make the transition for input 0 on a state C. So if we put this, suppose first option, what is the first option for this first option for the making the transitions is more considered as a self loop. So suppose we have put a 0 input as a self loop on a state C. Is it accept any invalid string? Let me check. So from A to C, if we reach, what string it containing? Minimum 0 0. And if we put C on a self loop, it means that it is repeated 0 or more times. It means that 0 star. So if star it 0 or more times, so either it makes 0 0. If we repeated this star is 1 times 0. If we repeated this star 2 times, it means it generates the two zeros. So if you see all the string containing a 0 0. So if you see 0 0 ending with 0 0 is always valid. So we can put the 0. So we can put the 0 as a self loop on a state C. Now we have to make the transition for our input 1. So where we have to draw the transition for input 1 on a state C. So first possibility, as we already discussed, first possibility, can we make a self loop for a input 1 on a state C? So if you make a self loop for a one input, let me check whether it is accept any invalid string. So it means that 001 star. Okay, if star is repeated 0 times, it containing a 00. So this string is valid, yes. Now if star is repeated 1 time, 1 is appear 1 time. So 001. So yes, 01 at the end, 01 is allowed. So this string is valid. If star is repeated 2 times, what happened? So if you see the string at the end 2 ones, so 2 ones are not allowed. So this accept a invalid string which is not allowed because it language do not containing a this string. So what we are going to do? We have to choose the second options. Second option, it means that we have to move the transition for input 1 to its previous state. Okay? So here we have to move one input to a D state from state C. Let me check. So if you see, if I consider this like 0, 0 and 1, this string is valid 0, 0, 1, and this string is always, obviously this is a valid string because at the end 0, 1 appears, so this is a valid string we can consider. Okay, so we have to move one input from a state C to state D. Okay, so this accept the valid string. Okay, now complete the DFA. Same way we can construct the same way we can think about the input 0 and 1. So here I have dropped because if you see, if I put 0 as a self loop, it means that how we can reach by using the minimum length of strings from state A to D. So A on 0, it means that we have to consider single 0, and after this B to D we have to move to reach the D. So 1 will consider, and at a, now from a state D we have to consider 0 as a self loop. Suppose 0 is put as a self loop on a state C. What happened? That we have to check over here. Why we do not need? Why do not put a 0 as a self loop? That I am going to explain you. So 0 1 star 0. So if star is repeated 0 time, it means that it replaced by null. So null dot. So whenever the null is appeared with any input symbol in a concatenation, it always ignore. So here the input string is 0 1. So 0 1, yes, string is valid. Now if star is repeated, yeah, 0 1. Now if you see 0 1 0, so here the second last symbol must be a 0. So this symbol, the second last symbol, what is 1? So it is not valid. So that's why we cannot put 0 as a self loop. We can make the transition for the input 0 to its previous states. So we have to, now if you considered all the valid string, uh, all the valid string is reached to the accepting state D. Okay, not all the valid string. So the string which containing a, at the end 01, it reached in D as a D. Okay, now next, what the remaining input? So the same remaining input is 1, so we have to move the transition for a 1 input to a state A. So this is the DFA which accepting the language which containing next to last symbol 0. Okay, so I hope this FA is clear to you. Now next is example number 9. Here we have to draw the FA which accepting string either ending in 0 or 1 1. So we have already discussed the same example in example number 8. We have to already discuss the same type example in a previous slide. Same way we have to draw the DFA. So I am going to, so if you see the previous example, so we can consider this example like this, either 0 0 ending with or 0 1 like this. So same way we have to draw this DFA, but here the ending with is 1011. So same way we can draw the DFA. So here you can see from A. So if you see for this example, the first symbol is same. The first symbol we can in this term, this symbol, this first is same 1 1. So we have to draw this move A on 1. We have to move B state. Now there are two possibilities 0, either it get 0, it moves the accepting state, or 1, it moves the accepting state. So like this we can, for this example, because the first term 1 and 1, this first symbol 1, this first symbol is same, so we can more like this. So same way we can draw this. Now complete the DFA. So the remaining symbol 0, we can draw this as a self loop. Now B is completed. Now complete the C. So here, considering the input C, so 1 1 1 star, 1 1 1 star. So 1 is repeated any number of times, it always ends with the 1 1, which is a valid string. Now consider for the 0. So 1 0 is valid. So we have to move the transition for a 0 input on a state C to D like this. So here we have to make this. Now next, complete the D. Okay, so for the D, we state, so here from state D, on getting 1, we moved state D. So in this way we have to accept the valid string 1 0 1 0. So always remember 1. Now from a 1, and now A on 1 we move B state. Now B on 0, which state we have moved? D state. Again 1 appears. Again 1 appears. If again 1 appears, so what would be after 1? Either 0 or 1. So either 0, either 1. So if this is the 1, so what is the, which state we have to move this one? Which previous state? So B state we have to move this transition, because B state containing, either you can go through this one, you reach the state C, either you can go to this state, you can reach the D as accepting state. So we have to move this one. So we have to move this one from a state D to state B. Now the remaining input is 0. So if we consider this 1 0, where to put a 0? So if you see this first symbol is 1, so we have to either take a 1 0 or 1 1. Okay, so which state we have to move this 0 transition? We require to accept this string. To accept this string, we need either 1 0 or a 1 1 to accept this string. So where we have get this? So we get from a state, like if I move the transition input 0 from state D to A, we get either 1 1 or 1 0 if we use this path 1 0. Okay, so in this way we can draw the DFA. So I hope in this way we can draw the DFA. So I hope this concept is clear to you. Now next example, suppose we want to draw the FA, the strings which does not containing as a substring 0 0. So this kind of example where the statement containing do not, the statement contains words do not, like do not end with, do not end with 1 0, do not end with 1, do not containing substring 0 0, do not containing substring 0, like this. So how we are going to construct the DFA? So as we already discussed in a previous video, how to draw the DFA for containing a substring. So this example actually the complement of the DFA which represent the language which containing a substring 0 0 0 0. Okay, so how we are going to draw? So it is a simple way. If you know how to draw the FA for the language which containing a substring 0 0, we can make this DFA complement for this language. So how we are going to draw? So simple, it is a very simple. If you know about how to construct the DFA for the substring 0 0. So here I am first ignoring this term not. So it means that we have to draw this DFA for the language which accepting the string as a substring 0 0. So as we know how to draw the DFA, because we have already discussed in a previous video. So I am not going to detail about this. B and C, minimum length. So C is our accepting state. Okay, now complete this DFA. So this is a substring. So the last 1 1, this is a 1 and 0 is completed. Now remaining input is 1. So we have to move this one over here. So this DFA that I have drawn over here is accepting the strings which containing a substring 0 0. Okay. Now they are asking, now we have to consider this note. If we have to draw the DFA for this for the language which do not containing a substring as a 0 0. So how we have to draw? So it is a very simple. What you are going to do, just this, consider what are the final state for this DFA. Now here I am going to mention final state and non-final state. So in this example, so this is the DFA for this, for the language which containing a 0 0 as a substring. So what is the non-final state? So final state, okay, final state. So for this final state are C. And what is the non-final state? C is a final state for this DFA, and non-final state, so without double circle is considered as a non-final state, and with double circle considered as a final state. Always remember this. Non-final state are 2 AB. Okay, considered over here. So double circle, the state which containing double circle, it means that final state, or we can say that accepting state. And the state which do not containing a double circle is considered as a non-final state. Okay. Now what we have to do, a complement. A complement means we have to draw the DFA for does not containing. So simple, make a final state as a non-final state. Reverse we have to make, and non-final state make final. Okay, so the same example we have to draw over here. The same transition would not be changed, always remember. Okay, and 1. So if you see, if you compare this two, all the transition are same. So A and B are non-final state for this DFA. So for this do not containing, we have to make A as a final state and B as a final state. Okay, final state, it means double circle you have to draw over here. Okay, and C is a final state for this DFA, but do not containing, make a C as a non-final state. So C is our non-final state, so we have to make it as a single circle only. So okay, so this is the DFA for do not containing a substring as a 0 0. It is a very simple, if you know how to construct the FA which containing a substring 0 0. Only difference is make the final state as a non-final state and make the non-final state as a final state, only the change in same way. So I hope this concept is clear to you. Now next is example number 11. So here I have taken the DF to draw the DFA for the language which accepting the strings do not end with. So here I have taken the same example, but here the position is AND with 1 0. So as we already discussed, first of all first of all we have to draw the DFA for the AND with 1 0. So as we know how to draw three state, okay, C. So 1 0. If I have a 1 0, C is our final state, okay. So here I am going to draw first AND with DFA, okay. AND with 1 0, how we can draw the DFA, okay. Complete this DFA, 0 1 0, so side flow, and if 1 0, okay. So this is DFA, this is the DFA for ending with 1 0, okay. Now our aim is do not end with. So what we are going to do? Simple. Make final non-final state as a final state. Make the final state as a non-final state. So for do not. So for do not. What are the non-final state for this? A is a non-final state. So make the final state double circle. B is a non-final state. Make the B as a double circle. It means that make the B as a final state. And C is a final state. So C is our non-final state. So, this is the DFA for the language which accepting the strings that do not end with the 1 0. So in this way we can draw this DFA. I hope this concept is clear to you. Thank you all.